When you disassemble the express delivery, you can see the robot body, robot chassis, charging base, power adapter, and screws. First, pick up the robot body. There are 2 connecting wires underneath. Find the flat one, then find the raised side, and install the connecting wires in the robot chassis. Then connect another line to the interface of the chassis, and tidy up the excess part of the connection line. Then install the robot body and chassis. Align the body of the robot with the buckle and put it on, and then rotate it 30 degrees clockwise. After installation, you will see a hole on the left and right sides of the robot, and then turn the screws into it. Both sides of the robot must be locked and fixed. This is what the robot looks like when it's installed. Connect the adapter to the charging base. Place charging base against the wall. When plugged in, the charging base will light up. The robot's power button is located on the left rear of the robot. Press the robot switch, and the light bar will automatically light up. The power button on the head is located at the left rear of the robot head. Press and hold for more than 3 seconds. This is the screen after the robot is turned on. Open any browser on your mobile phone, and enter the URL below. After the input is complete, click Go, and install after the download is complete. Then open the app, select Me, register and log in, and support mobile phone number and Weshit binding login. Then come to the robot interface, click to open the robot. Open the Padbit app, click to open the frame in the upper right corner. Then scan the QR code on the robot's screen, and the first person to scan will become the robot's administrator. First, click to open the robot console, where you can see the battery information of the robot. Click here to modify the robot nickname. Click here to view the robot delivery record. After the robot is turned on, you will see 3 functional areas, namely Deliver Robot, Application Center, and System Settings. First, open the Deliver Robot, click the Setting button in the upper right corner of the screen. Then set the admin password. Click the Voice Broadcast to modify the content broadcast in different usage scenarios. Click Admin Password to set a new administrator password. Click Delivery Password to set a new delivery password. Open More Settings. You can modify alarm settings and system settings. Press the power switch once, and the navigation bar will appear on the screen. Let's go back to the startup page, and open the Application Center. Here you can see some basic software of the robot. Return to the boot interface again. Click to open Settings. Here you can view and adjust the basic settings of the robot. First, click to open the Deliver Robot, then click the settings in the upper right corner, and enter the administrator password. Click Map, select Configuration, and click Map Building. Then enter the corresponding map name and floor. After setting, click Confirm. Then come to the console of the mobile phone Padbit app. Click the small button on the right. And then adjust the speed to 1. Then you can control the movement of the robot to scan the map. Or the robot can be manually pushed in motion to scan the map. After the map scan is complete, click Finish Editing. Now you can see the map you just scanned, and then select Edit Map below. Then click on the place where the target point needs to be set on the map. Select Settings. You can edit the name of the point, departure voice, arrival voice, orientation angle and the attributes of the point. Click Save after setting. Then set other points in the same way. Click here to set a virtual wall. And here you can eliminate a virtual wall. After setting, click Finish Editing below. Then click Crew Settings, and then click the plus sign on the upper right to set the name of the route in the prompt voice. After setting, drag the points just set to the lower right area one by one. Then click Finish Editing. Find the route you just set, and set it to Enable. This is the normal cruising route of the robot. The mobile phone map settings are similar. Click the button on the bottom left of the robot, and then click Configuration to edit the map. After that, click on the place where the cruise point needs to be set on the map, and select Settings. You can edit the name of the point, speech content, stop time, oriented angle and the attributes of the point, and remember to click Save after setting. Then set other points in the same way. After setting, click Finish Editing. Next, click Cruise Settings. Click the plus sign on the upper right. You can set the name of the route in the prompt voice. After setting, drag the point we just set to the lower area one by one, and then click Save. Then find the route you just set, and set it to Enable. This is the regular cruise route of the robot. After the robot is turned on again, the first thing to do is to position the robot. First click to open the Deliver robot, go to the navigation page, click on the positioning in the menu bar, and then click on the actual location of the robot on the map. Robot rotation means positioning. And now you can start using the robot. First open the Deliver robot, click on the Delivering, and enter the delivery password. Then select the room number, enter the recipient's mobile phone number, and click Confirm after the input is complete. The robot cabinet door will then open automatically. If there are more goods, you can also choose to open the number 2 container. After the number 2 cabinet is closed, click Start Delivery, and the robot will deliver the goods by itself. When the robot arrives, it calls and texts the recipient. The recipient clicks Takeout. Or can use the QR code to pick up the goods. After the number 1 container has been picked up, the number 2 container will be opened. After all the goods have been picked up, click Finish, and then the robot will automatically return to the charging point to charge.